If you are driving a 2011, 2012, or 2013 Chevy Silverado, do not sell that truck. I repeat, do not let a dealership talk you into trading it in. You are sitting behind the wheel of an absolute masterpiece. While everyone else is arguing about older classics or complaining about the fragile plastic electronics of the brand new 2024 models, you are quietly driving the undisputed peak of modern truck engineering. Today, I am going to break down exactly why your late GMT-900 platform is the last true bulletproof generation General Motors ever produced. To understand why your 2011 to 2013 Silverado is so incredibly special, we have to look at the painful mistakes GM made just a few years earlier. When the GMT-900 platform first launched in 2007, it was a massive technological leap. But those early years, from 2007 to 2009, were essentially expensive beta tests. The early active fuel management systems were notoriously burning oil. The electrical systems had gremlins. The early 4-speed transmissions were hunting for gears. GM was learning hard lessons at the expense of the early buyers. But then, something beautiful happened. Instead of scraping the platform, GM engineers spent 4 years aggressively perfecting it. By the time the 2011 production year rolled around, they had quietly fixed almost every single major flaw. They reinforced the internal engine components. They perfected the integration of the incredibly robust 6-speed 6L80 transmission, creating a powertrain that was smooth, efficient, and capable of massive towing without snapping a band. They took a flawed early design and forged it into solid iron. Whether you have the mature 5.3-liter LC9 or the absolute beastly 6.2-liter L9H under the hood, your 2011 to 2013 engine represents the final, fully realized vision of the traditional Chevy V8. Look underneath your truck. The fully boxed frame sections, the heavy-duty suspension geometry, the refined braking system. This was the exact moment in automotive history where GM achieved the perfect balance. Your truck has just enough modern technology to be comfortable, safe, and powerful, but it completely avoids the fragile, overcomplicated nightmare of the trucks built from 2014 and on. You don't have 30 different computer modules fighting each other just to turn on the air conditioning. You don't have an auto start-stop system destroying your starter motor at every red light. You have pure mechanical reliability, an engine that actually sounds and works like an engine. The modern dealerships know this. That is exactly why they constantly send you those letters in the mail, begging to buy your 2012 Silverado back. They tell you it's because they are desperate for used inventory. That is a carefully crafted lie. They want your truck because it is a highly desirable, bulletproof asset. And they want to trap you in an $80,000 loan for a new model that will spend half its life in the service bay waiting for a software update. The engineers who built your truck finally got it right before the accountants stepped in and ruined the next generation. If you have a 2011, 2012, or 2013 Silverado, you won the automotive lottery. I want to see the proof down in the comments. If you own one of these late GMT-900 legends, drop your exact year, your engine, and your current mileage below. Let's show the industry what a real truck looks like. Keep your iron on the road and never sell the legend.